Parramatta ran riot in the preliminary final of 1982. The Sydney Cricket Ground may have been waterlogged, but that didn't stop the Eels from unleashing their full array of attacking skills against a bewildered eastern suburb side that clearly missed the guidance of inspirational halfback Kevin Hastings. Even with a couple of early tries disallowed, the scoreboard at Stump still blinked out a 33-0 thrashing that kept the Eels' title defence in fine shape for the following week's grand final against Manly Warringah.